In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track an AliExpress order. This process can seem daunting, but I'll guide you through each step to make it as simple as possible. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the AliExpress app on your smartphone or go to the AliExpress website on your computer. It's important to ensure that you have a stable internet connection for a smooth process. If you're using the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once you have the app or website open, your next step is to tap on the Accounts section. You'll notice that this section is usually represented by an icon, often found at the bottom of the screen on the app or in the upper right corner on the website. This is your gateway to all personal settings and orders. From there, you'll want to select My Orders. This is where all your past and current AliExpress orders are listed. It's a comprehensive hub for tracking everything you've purchased. Tap on View All to see the complete list of your orders. This step is crucial because it helps you locate every order you've made, ensuring you don't miss anything important. Now, find the order you wish to track. This might require scrolling through your list if you've placed multiple orders. But don't worry, each order usually has a thumbnail image and a brief description, making it easier to identify. Take your time here to ensure you're selecting the correct order. Once you have identified the order, tap on Track Order or View Details. This is where you start to see the magic happen. By selecting this option, you get to see the real-time status of your shipment. You'll find detailed information about where your package is and any updates on its journey. After tapping Track Order or View Details, you'll be able to check the latest shipping status and the estimated delivery date of your package. This gives you a clear picture of when you can expect your order to arrive. It's particularly useful if you're planning around the delivery date. Remember, these dates can sometimes change due to unforeseen circumstances, so keep checking back for the most current information. At this point, you should have a good understanding of where your order is and when it will arrive. If you notice any issues, such as a delay in shipping, it's a good idea to contact the seller directly through the platform. They can provide more detailed information or assist with any concerns you might have. Now, wasn't that easier than expected? Tracking your AliExpress order helps you stay informed and reduces any anxiety about your purchase. This process ensures that you're always in the loop, which is particularly helpful for time-sensitive orders or gifts. Remember to keep checking the app or website for any updates on your order. This will help you stay on top of any changes. And there you have it, a straightforward way to track your AliExpress orders without any hassle. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you track your orders smoothly in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, happy shopping.